Oh yeah, squeegee that shit. In the rain. Oh, what the fuck?
I know. I wonder if her husband's peeking out the window like, oh my lord, I'm gonna have to commit Beatrice.
Beatrice. Myrtle. Mavis.
She's going into the home.
Look at her. What the
I
hell?
don't know. Pretty soon she'll get the shampoo out and strip right down naked to herself.
Well, I hope we get that shit on videotape. Fucking.
Too much about
Is she
paint.
squeeging right now or does she have a rag?
Squeeging. Can do more harm than good.
Oh, birdie.
Think of all the sand and stuff that she's like
Rubbing into the car.
smearing. Yeah, exactly.
Why? I don't understand.
She's like, why won't this stay dry? I just did this spot.
What's happening here? I keep squeegeeing it over and over.
Crying. Maybe
What's
it's
going
sweating.
on? I have no idea. What's happening? Where am I?
She's doing the side.
What's my name? Clean it.
And do it again.
Clean it. Same spot again. Oh, 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 doing the bag now, doing the bag, oh yes. Fucking crazy lady.
What do we need to?